All right, we've been finding slope, and we've got this basic slope formula. I'm going to write up here in the very top where we got m slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And in this exercise, we're looking to find coordinates given the slope. So let's look at what we have. It says find the value of r, so the line that passes through each pair of points has given the slope. Well, we've got here on the left that the slope is -5, and we're given two sets of coordinates, but one of those is unknown. So my coordinates here on the left, and I'm going to call my number one coordinates, I got x is -2 and y is 6. And my second coordinates, or my number two coordinates, I've got this unknown r for x, and then I've got y is -4. Well, we're just going to plug this into our slope formula given what we know. And we know that slope is equal to -5. And that's equal to, well, y2 here is -4 minus y1, 6, over x2, which is r, the unknown, minus -2. Well, let's go ahead and do a little bit of solving here. So we got -5 equals -4, -6 is -10. And r minus -2 is r plus 2. Now to continue solving this, what I want to do is multiply both sides of the equation by r plus 2. And over here on the right-hand side, that's going to cancel. And I'm going to have over here on the left, -5 times r plus 2. Well, let's go ahead and rewrite this a little bit. So I got -5 times r plus 2 now equals -10. Now let's distribute the -5. So -5 times r is -5r. And -5 times 2, positive 2, is -10. And that's equal to -10. I'm going to add 10 to both sides. And now I've got -5r. Well, it equals 0. And when I divide both sides of this equation by -5, then I'm going to find that r is equal to 0. So this coordinate here at where we've got it defined as r is going to equal to 0. Let's look at this second one. Here we've got our x1 coordinate is the unknown. Our y1 coordinate is -6. Our x2 coordinate is 5, and our y2 coordinate is -8, and we're told that the slope is -8. So let's plug this in. So I've got -8. I'm going to change colors here. I don't like that red, really. So I've got -8 equals, well, let's see, y2, that's -8, minus y1, which is -6, over x2, which is 5, minus r, which is unknown. Well, let's go ahead and do it. We'll go ahead and do a little bit of calculating up here in the numerator. So I've got -8 is now equal to, let's see, -8 minus 6. Well, that's going to make that a positive. So I got -8 plus 6 is going to give me -2 over 5 minus r. Let's go ahead and multiply both sides of this equation by 5 minus r. That's going to clear the denominator over here on the right. And we got 5 minus r over here. Well, let's distribute the -8 to the 5 minus r. So -8 times 5 is -40. And -8 times -r, well, that's going to be plus 8r. I'm going to add 40 to both sides of this. Over here, it's going to cancel. we're going to be left with 8r equals, let's see, negative 2 plus 40 is going to be 38. And we're going to divide both sides of our equation by 8. That's going to give us r equals, and let's see, 38 divided by 8. That doesn't go in an even number of times. 38 divided by 8 is going to equal 4.75. So there we go. We have found the coordinates. We're just using our basic slope formula. We've got an unknown somewhere between our y2, y1, or x2, x1. We're given the slope, but we're able to solve and find the missing coordinate using our slope formula. Perseverance.